Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix background in Wix. So, if you're having trouble with your Wix background on your site, whether it's misaligned, blurry or not showing up, this guide will show you how to fix common background issues. So open your Wix editor first and click on the background area of your site, usually the section behind the content. Now right click and choose change slide background, and you can easily choose another background if your background is blurry or not working. You can also click on image and choose another image just from here, or click on upload media and upload that image again to see if that solves your problem. You can also click on settings option and choose the opacity and color. So make sure that the opacity is set to 100. It's not below 50. If it will be below 50, it will not be visible. Now, if the background image is blurry or stretched, you can choose fit to screen or stretch to adjust the size. You can also upload a higher resolution image for better clarity. So just choose the background, right click and or just click on change slide background and choose another image to see if that fixes your problem. Now, if the background color isn't correct, click color and select the desired color for your site background. You can click on change slide background, choose color and choose another kind of color if you wish. You can also click on edit and edit your theme's color according to the accent colors, base colors and color temperature. You can also click on change color theme and choose any other kind of color palette that you want for your website. Now, if the background doesn't stretch across the screen, in the background settings, make sure stretch to full width is selected to ensure that the background covers the entire content. Now, click preview to check how the background looks across different screen sizes. Once satisfied, click publish to save your changes, and that's it. Now you know how to fix common background issues in Wix. Whether it's resizing, repositioning or changing colors, these tips will help you get your background just right. Like and subscribe for more Wix tips. See you in the next one.